All right, well, now it's coming off.
Welcome to our channel. Here's a look at our plotter precisely cutting the paint protection film for the Rolls-Royce Spectre. Now, this part's a bit tricky. We're installing the PPF on the trunk and back of the vehicle. It requires a steady hand and a lot of skill, especially with a steamer to smooth out any bubbles and ensure everything adheres just right. Our techs are highly trained to handle complex tasks like this, making sure every piece fits perfectly without compromising the car's sleek lines. Inside the car, we're applying a ceramic leather protector to every inch of the interior, ensuring the leather not only looks good, but is also fully protected. And here we're applying a ceramic coating to the wheels. Since we can't use PPF here, the ceramic coating provides the necessary protection against dirt and wear. Take a look at the final result. The interior and exterior of this Rolls-Royce Spectre are now fully protected and shining bright. It's not just about that gloss. It's about ensuring long-term protection and maintaining the car's luxurious appeal. From every angle, inside and out, this car is ready to turn heads on the road.
Your vehicle deserves unparalleled care and protection. Experience the Castroice's difference where luxury and legacy meet. Discover you and your vehicle's potential with us, because it's our job to protect it and your job to enjoy it.